Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
Love is not a sprint. The strongest, most beautiful love is love that has been through a marathon and still stays together. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Love to me is someone telling me, I want to be with you for the rest of my life, and if you needed me to, I'd jump out of a plane for you. Dream without fear, love without limits. True love does not have a happy ending, because true love doesn't end. If our love is true, it will always find a way. Only time can heal your broken heart, just as only time can heal his broken arms and legs. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Love is just a word, but you bring it definition. Let love be your motivation, the driving force behind everything. To be brave is to love unconditionally without expecting anything in return. Love never fails, and when it fails in life, then it has not been loved. You don't marry someone you can live with, you marry the person who you cannot live without. Being someone's first love may be great, but to be their last is beyond perfect. Love is absolute loyalty. People fade, looks fade, but loyalty never fades. You can depend so much on certain people, you can set your watch by them. And that's love, even if it doesn't seem very exciting. It was a million tiny little things that, when you added them all up, they meant we were supposed to be together, and I knew it. Don't settle for a relationship that won't let you be yourself.